It's Pizza Gamer, and today we're going to be playing some more Farm World Roblox today. I actually bought a few more and some new animals I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys some new animals. I want to show you guys some new animals. I want to show you some new animals. Okay, so first I got the I got the barn owl, the one that they just added. Yeah, I got this. I got the barn owl. I got the barn owl. I got the barn owl, guys. I got the barn owl, and one thing that I was gonna show you, I got two other ones that I'm gonna show you in a sec. But we're gonna do a RP with these people. I'm doing an RP with these people. I'm gonna be doing an RP with these people, guys. That's right. I want to show you two other animals. So I got this, and then I got the black-footed ferret, and then I got the adult mouse, and I got the it was rubbish. My thing was glitching out for a second. Sorry. But anyways, I got this horse. I got the baby horse. I got this baby horse. I got a baby horse, guys. I think, yeah, which one was it? Okay, the shop just changed. It was in here just a second ago. Okay, but it was just in here a second ago. It was right here. I don't think, yeah, it's not in the shop anymore. But it was just in the shop. I don't know a lot of stuff in the shop, gosh. No, here it is, right here. Here it is, right there. The overland. Oh, Highland? Oh my gosh, I've been waiting to get that cow. I almost have enough money. But anyways, yeah, let's go, let's go. I'm going to do a wild RP. Yeah, I'm going to do a wild RP. We're gonna do a wild RP. We're gonna do a wild RP. Yes, sir. We're gonna do a wild RP. That's right. A wild RP. We got a lazy owl. Perfect match. I didn't get any other animals. I don't think. Did I get any other animals, guys? Comment down below if I got any animals. Okay. Comment down below if I got any animals, guys. I have no clue if I did. So yeah, pretty much. I'm going to actually be making more videos now and shorts more. I think my next video is not going to be a game. My next video maybe be a gaming video. I don't know. I think my next video is going to be a think my next video is going to be think I'll do a 24-hour one or last to leave challenge. I don't think my next one is not going to be a gaming video. My name and channel maybe be Pizza Gamer, but that doesn't mean I'm always gonna be gaming. I think my next one is going to be a vlog. So I may make a vlog channel, but probably not. Probably just put everything on one channel like Nightbuild does. Oh, and if you never seen Nightbuild, go check it out. It's capital N, capital N, capital. It's capital Night. It's capital N for night and capital B for build. Nightbuild, no spaces. And go check him out. He actually helps sometimes with my video. Sometimes he comes over to my house, or sometimes he comes over to my or sometimes he'll come over to my hotel if I'm at a hotel or something. But yeah, pretty much, yeah, that's pretty much it. But I did not, but we actually, I had one other horse. Yeah, I had one other horse. Let me show you. I have a lot of these. I love these. All of these. Yeah, it was this one. The leopard one. I had this horse. I love this horse. It's like a Dalmatian. I love it. This horse is really cool. And I had one other horse. Which was it? I think I got an adult horse, didn't I? Yep, right here. This big guy. This big guy. This big guy. I got this guy. I also got this guy. He looks like my old horse that died. But yeah, pretty much. I haven't been doing an RP. I'm sorry. I'm super duper sorry. Because I get that actually. Well, you haven't seen a lot of animals. If you ever watch my videos, I'm always like a lynx, or a wolf, or a raccoon, or a fox, or yeah, pretty much that. Yeah, I have the fox. The fox, I only have the baby fox. I don't have the adult fox. Yeah, I have a lot of animals. But yeah. Hey, Husker, I'm going to get some food. Hey, Oscar, I'm going to get some food. I'll be right back. Imagine you see this or that, and you're just like this, and you're probably just like. And the horse is just like this. And then you're just like. And then the other person is like this. And the horse is like this. I'ma go walk on grass and I'm gonna stop. Then I'm just gonna stop and eat some grass. You probably were like, dude, why the heck do I just all of a sudden start me? Probably one reason is you probably guys are wondering why I haven't been doing videos lately. Well, I've been on vacation, so yeah, I've been gone. I haven't been here to make you guys videos. So don't be getting mad at me. Don't be like, oh yeah, okay. Don't be like, oh yeah, but we're like, you're not being like that. I know you're not being like it. But anyways, you're like, I'm like, and you're like, blah, blah. I'm just excited to do a video again. I've been waiting to do a video, and now I'm doing a video. I'm happy. Everyone's happy. You're probably at home cheering. I'm at home cheering. I'm at home making a video for you. And you're just probably sitting at home laughing at me and saying, ha ha, you are terrible at making videos. And I'm like, you know what? I probably should be doing a roleplay. And then I'm like, yes, I probably should. Yeah, probably. I like this cow so much. I want him. I want him. I want that cow. I want that cow. Who wants that cow? I want that cow. Yeah, that's like the best looking cow that you've ever seen. You go to a store or you go to... I haven't even been playing for 15 minutes yet. You gotta be kidding. Yeah, I did just get on, but guys, I think we're going to go into a different game here just in a sec. I wanted to do like 2 games in this video. So yeah, I want to do 2 games in this video. I'm gonna go say peace to my man, and then we're gonna go play a different game. I'm gonna say we're gonna go play a different game. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed me playing Farmworld. We're gonna go play a different game for a few minutes, and then we're going to end this video. Yeah, we're going to do a different video, so I'm going to go into a different game. I'll be right back. I picked Shark Bite 2. Yeah. I played Shark Bite. I've never even made a Shark Bite video, but you know, your boy Pizza Gamer, he plays Shark Bite. I've played the old Shark Bite. I've never played the Shark Bite. So yeah. Yeah, I'm all bacon. Yeah. My character is kinda... Don't make fun of my character. I have no Robux. It's sad, okay? I don't have any Robux. I'm sorry. Don't make fun of my character. But anyways, yeah. Oh yay, we get to play now. The game's over. I've always liked this music. But yeah, we're probably gonna only play this for like 4 minutes, and then we're probably just gonna end the video here. What was it gonna land on? Oh, come on, you have 13%. How the heck do you have a boat? I'm gonna invite everyone at this point. You all coming on my raft. Nobody joined me on my, the shark has been released. Wow, that was a quick. Wow, that was a quick. Wow, that was a quick. Okay, stop on my back to me. That was the shark. Oh, I'm going to be the shark. right back into my donut boat. Again, I'm gonna invite everybody. Well, I got so many people in my boat. Yeah, so many people in my boat. Who's getting on the donuts? Who's getting on the donuts, my guy? Who's getting on the donuts? Who's getting on the donuts? Nobody? Alright. Okay, I'm gonna play one more round of Shark Bite, and then I'm gonna end this video because the video is getting kind of long. So we'll do one more donut boat. Invite, 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 invite. We got so many people on my boat. So many people on my boat. So many people. So many people on my boat. I wanna get. No. My boat. My boat. Aw, dude. Well, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Smash that like button, and hit that subscribe button, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Peace. Bye, guys. I just want to show you one more thing. Donut, 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 donut.